Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, and AS and A-level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from International Maths, May June 2024 paper 4. It's a extended paper. So I hope you all are revising, going with topic by topic discussion. So suppose if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Before we jump on to the question discussion, if you haven't subscribed yet to channel, so just subscribe and let's start discussion here. So this is basically area of sector, perimeter, fine. Concepts are here, concepts are involved, fine. So we will discuss them bit by bit, and even we will understand tips and tricks how we can apply the sine rule, cosine rule, and things like that. Here we have a, B, C, D are given, right? And then here ABC is one triangle, and we have this is B, C, D sector part is there. The ABCD formed by the triangle ABC and sector of the circle BCD, center at B, fine. It means BC is the radius, and first part we have to calculate the BC. So to calculate BC, we have AB is equal to 8, fine. We will assume this one as a C because this is capital C. So side in front of this angle C is small c, side in front of angle A is small a, side in front of angle B is small b, fine. So these are the given things we have, and we have to calculate here A. Okay, so here we can use the cosine rule to calculate the BC. That's a easy way because we have two sides are given and angle between them is given. So in that case, generally we use the cosine rule, fine. So I will just copy this diagram as well so that it will be easy for us to solve question, fine. Here we have to calculate A, so square root of B square plus C square minus 2BC, and cos of angle between these two BC is just a, right? And here substitute all the values, so it's a 8 square plus 7 square minus 2 times 8 times 7 cos of angle is 73.4. So if you substitute all these things in your calculator, you will get square root of 81, means it's a 9 meter, means we got A is equal to 9. Now as I said earlier, here the sector of the circle BCD, center B, fine. So this BC is nothing but even radius, so which is equal to BD as well, means A is equal to 9 we got, means BD also 9. Okay, then we have to use the sine rule to find out angle BCA. So we have to use the sine rule, right? And we have to find out the angle BCA, means this angle C. Okay, we will start with the sine of C upon the side in front of C is small c, which is equal to, we can use sine of A, angle A divided by small a, fine. So sine of C upon small c is 8, which is equal to sine of 73.4 divided by 9. Okay, and C is equal to sine inverse of 8 sine of 73.4 divided by 9. Now put out all these things in your calculator and check it out. Just stop the video even for a moment, fine. So it's a 8 sine of 73.4 divided by 9. So it's a C is equal to 58.41. We will get the angle BCA 41. Nextly, we have to find out the area of triangle ABC. So this is A, B and C. So to find out area of the triangle, we can use the sine rule. Here area is equal to 1/2 B times C, sine of angle between the B and C. B and C is angle A. So you can write, take the capital A. So it's a 1/2 8 times 7 times sine of 73.4. Substitute in your calculator and tell me what's the answer you are getting. Here it's a 26.8 meter square. Fine. Then nextly, area of the shaded region we have to calculate. So area of the shaded region we can calculate using area of shaded region is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle BCD. Fine. So area of sector is theta by 360 times pi r square minus area of triangle ABC is 1/2 BC times BD, right, times sine of angle between this BC and BD is theta, isn't it? I hope you are getting it. All right, so just calculate this one, stop the video and comment the answer in the comment box as well. Fine. So here it's a theta is 36 over 360 times pi r is 9 square. Fine. Then we have a BC is 9, BD is 9, sine of 36. Okay, so if you calculate this one completely in your calculator, we will get 1.64 meter square. I hope you are also getting the same. Fine. Then nextly we have to calculate the perimeter of shape ABDC. Fine. So to find out the perimeter P is equal to AB plus BD plus this. Here the length of arc we have to take, that is CD plus CA or AC. Fine. So here 8 plus 9 plus theta by 360 times 2 pi r is the arc length. Fine. Plus here we have AC is 7. So it is equal to 24. Firstly, just a 8 plus 9 plus 7 is 24 plus theta is 36 over 360 times 2 pi. R is 9 here. Fine. Again, stop your video and just calculate the answer for perimeter and put out in the comment box. Let's see whether you are getting correct answer or not. Fine. So it's a 29.7 meter. Okay, I hope you understood this part, how we can solve the step by step. Fine. So to know these kind of tips and tricks to solve and get A star grade in your international math, you can connect with us. I have left the contact in the description box. Enjoy the math.